How to add image slideshow on the screen on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to OBS Studio. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go right here down to the sources and click on your right mouse, click add, and now go here and click on image slideshow. Click OK, and now all what you have to do is simple. You should upload your image files here and from here, and choose the transition between the images, if you want it fade or swipe or slide. Then choose if you want it to start looping, click here and click OK. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.